Driveway boondocking. I'm parked in my dad's driveway because I need to do a couple little maintenance thingies to La Puta. So I stayed up in the camper. Right now I'm just airing everything out, make sure it gets plenty of sun, plenty of nice breeze. So it doesn't smell like this girl over here, Tally. Yeah. She's on her escape-proof harness. And I feel confident that she can walk around. Well, as long as she doesn't get stuck like that. But I'll save her in a second. You know what? Let me save her. Okay. So, yeah, I'm airing everything out. I'm going to fix the latch, the cable on this inside latch that broke. So I already took off the handle. I mean, that's easy. It all just pops right off. The pain in the butt's going to be getting this thing off. And then getting the little cable back on there from the inside. So I'll see how that goes. All right, but yeah, getting it all aired out. Somehow I lost her brush. How does that happen, man? There's always something. There's always something. The reason it's lifted, I put it up on the ramp because it rained pretty heavily last night. And this being a level driveway, I'm surprised how